Hi, this is Brian from Mingo, and today we're going to walk through how to pair a wireless node from Banner Engineering to a wireless gateway. You can see that I have the top already screwed off of the wireless node. This is a TL70Q5, and both of them are powered up at this point. So the way that you bind a node to a wireless gateway is from the gateway, you navigate down to the ISM radio menu and then hit enter. And then in here, there's a couple of options. You'll see binding, which is what we're going to do, and then site survey, and we'll go after that in a second. So I'm going to hit binding, and then you choose what node number to bind this to. So they can't be duplicated. The node numbers cannot be duplicated. So if you bind it to a number that has already been bound, it's just going to overwrite that. So you want to make sure that you keep track of which numbers are where. So let's say we want to bind this to as node number 3. So I hit enter. And then what I do on my TL70 is you'll see this little button right here. I click it 3 times quickly. And what you'll notice is it went from red, flashing green, which means it was bound, to red and then green. And then it's going to flash again. And then we should start seeing it flash green here in a second. Yep, starting to flash green, which means it's been bound. So then we can hit the back button, go back again, and we want to do a site survey, and the site survey is going to check the connectivity between the gateway and the node. So we'll go down here to site survey, hit enter, choose node number 3. It's usually auto-populated to the last one that you bound, and then hit enter. And then it's going to start running a test, and basically it's checking the packets flowing back and forth between the gateway and the node. And you'll see here we have 74 greens, 2 yellows, 1 red, 0 misses. You want above 80 greens, ideally. And things will work okay if it's in the 60s, but it's not ideal. Anything below 60 is not good. But you can see here, because we're very close to each other, we're getting 100 out of 100. So we have a bind there and good signal going to our node. Okay, and then we can just hit the back button to go back to the previous menus, and we are done.